What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make a chicken tortilla soup in the crock pot. So, cheers and let's cook. This is gonna be super easy. For the most part, everything's just going into our crock pot. I got 3 chicken breasts in there, and I'm gonna add my seasonings. I got a teaspoon and a half of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Next, we're going to go in with 1 onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1.5 cups of corn, I have a 15-ounce can of black beans that I just drained and rinsed, a 15-ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, and a 4-ounce can of green chilies. Now this next step is optional. You can just add your chicken stock in if you want a thinner soup. I want mine a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna whisk in 2 tablespoons of masa into my chicken stock. That's just a fine ground cornmeal. Okay, now this is gonna go into the crock pot. Now I'm just gonna stir all that around a little bit. Throw my lid on, and I'm going to cook this on low for 8 hours. You could cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. While our soup is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and fry up some tortilla strips. Now, you could skip this part and just break tortilla chips over it at the end, or I think you can buy tortilla strips, but we're going to make our own. So all I'm going to do is I got 4 blue tortillas and 4 yellow tortillas, corn tortillas. Cut those in half, and then cut those into 1/4-inch strips. Now, we're going to go to the stove and fry them up. Over at the stove, I got a pot heating up with about a half inch of oil in there. I'm just going to drop some of my tortilla strips in there. I'm going to do this in batches. Just move them around a little bit. We'll let those fry until they get nice and crispy. You'll know they're ready when the bubbles start to slow down. It has been 8 hours, so I just pulled those chicken breasts out, and now I'm going to shred them with 2 forks. Finish our soup. We're going to go back in with our chicken. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of half of a lime. Give it a stir. And that is ready to go. Now I'm going to garnish my soup with our tortilla strips, some fresh cilantro chopped, a lime wedge, and some diced avocado. Let's eat. We've got a super tasty bowl of soup here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.